Good morning, dear students. Today I want to try to explain you the use of comparative and superlative. Here there are some examples. For example, you can use for cool. Cool is the affirmative, and for comparative you write er at the end of adjective. In this case, cool is cooler. For the superlative, you use est. You say coolest, the coolest. You are the cool, affirmative, comparative, cooler, and superlative, the coolest. For just four sentences, you add the comparative in the middle. Comparing two objects could be two people's two. For example, Santa Ana is cooler than San Salvador. So that's very easy. Here are other examples. For example, for hot,
What is this?
for hot is the affirmative. Comparative is hotter, and the superlative is hottest. If you want to form sentences, you do, for example, this. San Miguel is hotter than Santa Ana. Here are other examples. Wide, the comparative wider than. Fine, comparative finer than. That means K. For superlative, it's similar, but you add est, as I told before. For example, the happy is the happiest. In that theory, you have to just order sentences. Here, besides, I add other examples. You can check in the resource. For example, my house is larger than hers. This is comparative. And here are other examples of superlative. Is the largest. Okay, students, I hope it is easy for you. If you have questions, just send me a message or participate in the forum questions.